Educational research is clear. There are 6 ingredients to good or quality writing. This is true whether we work with kindergartners communicating in pictures or seniors in AP composition. The advantage of using the 6 traits language is that it takes the dozens of writing skills listed in the standards and on rubrics and in our curriculum, and it organizes them into 6 simple categories: ideas, organization, voice, word choice, sentence fluency, and conventions. Hi, I'm Christina Smekens, President and Lead Consultant at Smekens Education, and we help teachers build successful writers with trait-based strategies that are simple and effective. This is huge for both teachers and students. Teachers need to know the 6 umbrella ingredients as they inform their mini-lesson instruction, conference conversations, assessment feedback, and so much more. And students need to know these 6 umbrella ingredients as they are the key to remembering and integrating all the individual skills into their own drafts. The power in the 6 traits framework is the common language that it establishes. Now, teachers and students all know what a good one looks like and sounds like, what it includes. These 6 words take the mystery out of the goal. This common language starts at the beginning of the school year when we introduce or reintroduce students to the 6 traits. This includes showing them lots of mentor text so that students can see the traits in reading before learning to incorporate them in their own writing. Then the rest of the year is steeped in these 6 ingredients or qualities of good writing. Every mini lesson is tied to a specific trait to broaden the skill's impact beyond improving this writing and making it about all writing. Every writer conference includes trait-specific compliments and comments. So now students have clear direction on how to revise and improve any piece of writing. And all assessment is centered on relevant traits. Students know the expectations before they begin drafting. Thousands of teachers have implemented the 6 traits to simplify and reinforce the qualities of good writing. By using the 6 traits as a framework, you too can employ this simple language to grow writers by bringing clarity and purpose to your daily writing instruction.